Most workers believe that salary jobs are better than hourly jobs, but that's not true. In some situations, an hourly worker can actually earn more money than someone on salary. Today, we're going to break this down using real numbers. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference between salary pay and hourly pay, how each one affects overtime, and which option would actually earn you more money. Salary pay means you receive a fixed amount of money every month. It usually does not change depending on the number of hours you work. For example, you may earn $200,000 per month. Whether the month has more work days or fewer work days, your salary stays the same. But here's the key question. How much are you actually earning per hour? Let's calculate that. Most full-time jobs follow a 40-hour work week. Over 4 weeks, that equals 40 hours multiplied by 4. That gives us 160 hours per month. Now let's calculate the hourly rate. If someone earns $200,000 per month, their hourly rate is approximately $1,250 per hour. Now let's compare that to someone who is paid hourly. Hourly workers are paid based on the number of hours they work. For example, someone may earn $1,250 per hour. If they work more hours, they earn more money. If they work fewer hours, they earn less. Now let's compare two workers earning the same hourly rate. Let's imagine two workers. Worker A earns a $200,000 monthly salary. Worker B earns $1,250 per hour. If both workers work 160 hours in the month, they earn exactly the same amount. But things change when extra hours are worked. Let's say worker B works 10 hours of overtime. First, we calculate the overtime rate. The overtime rate is usually time and a half, which means $1,250 multiplied by 1.5. So the overtime rate becomes $1,875 per hour. Now let's calculate the total overtime pay. Those 10 overtime hours would earn $18,750 extra, which means the hourly worker could earn $218,750 that month. Meanwhile, a salaried worker may still receive $200,000. It is important to remember, not every salaried job works the same way. Some salaried workers also receive overtime pay, depending on their employment contract. But in most cases, salary workers do not receive extra pay for additional hours. That's why it's important to understand how your job is structured. Let's try a quick calculation. Imagine your hourly rate is $900 and you work 5 hours of overtime. First, calculate the overtime rate, then calculate the total overtime pay. The overtime rate would be $1,350 per hour. For 5 hours of overtime, the total would be $6,750. If you got that answer, you're getting the hang of it. So which one is better? Salary pay provides stable income each month. Hourly pay provides more flexibility and overtime opportunities. The better option depends on your work schedule, overtime opportunities, and your employment contract. But understanding the numbers help you make smarter decisions about your income. In the next video, we'll look at 5 money mistakes many young Jamaican workers make with their salary. Mistakes that can cost you thousands of dollars over time. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.